Thank you, dear young friends. Thank you for all your queries. We have come to the end of this question answer session, which is related to the impact of postponement of examinations. As we had noticed, because of the larger pandemic which we are trying to handle, several of the exams have got postponed. Many of you have been finding it difficult to handle such situations, and then we thought this is the right time to answer several of the questions which you may have. Once again, that is what we say. Thank you for the queries. Hope the answers what we have tried to put together in this 4-part series answers many of the doubts, would be resourceful for you to implement. As you are aware, the first part is related to the emotional stress and anxiety which you would be going through as a student about to take up examination. The second part relates to how should you handle your siblings, how to deal with your friends, how to manage parents and their expectations, anxieties, etc. The third part is related to rescheduling of examination, clashing of dates, many other queries related to that. The fourth part is per se looking at how do you prepare better or how do you prepare differently for the examinations. We enjoyed bringing these 4 parts to you. Hope you make good use of it. Let me summarize one point from each one of these presentations. I was able to make down 4 things. 1, you are not alone. There is this uncertainty which is across the board. The whole world is trying to help each other. We are here to help you out. Don't get disheartened. Second point, continue to keep to your routines and schedules. Your earlier schedules are not something set in stone. If you think it requires modification, please feel free to modify it. But set up a schedule, stick to it so that you'll be able to reach to your goal. Third, short bursts or spaced learning would be very, very helpful to you. Now that is much more resourceful and will help you to learn better. Related to that, it is normal for all of us to feel low. We are not motivated all the time. Now that is where give yourself rewards, take a break, and develop your hobbies, do physical activity. This new schedule is something which would help you to be better able to handle things in future. Fourth and the last point, when you feel worried, angry, distressed or irritated, don't go to react immediately. As we had said, set aside a worry time. Push all these things into a different slot. That should give you a lot more time to respond. Talk to people, communicate with them. Use healthy ways of dealing with such situations. I'm sure as our colleague mentioned, there are several strategies available. Now you don't need to do all of them. Choose whichever is better. It could be either mindfulness or breathing techniques or relaxation. Whichever suits you more, you could always do that. Have some physical activity. Adapt it to your needs. But more importantly, reach out, and then that is where you'll find help. At the end of this video, you'll find our telephone numbers and helpline where you can write to us. Do not hesitate. We are always there to help you out. All the best. Take care. Stay safe.